Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone backup, and its notification is often at the top of your screen as soon as you open settings on your iPhone. So let's start the video. First open the settings on iPhone and just tap iPhone not backed up, and now tap on backup settings. Just tap on backup now. It will take some wait for few seconds. Go back. Tap here. Now here you just tap OK. Tap on not now here. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.